This brand is made in China by Medea and is sold through Menards home improvement stores. They use self-evaporating condensate technology so that you do not have to dump a bucket of water, but the warranty, especially on the compressor, is not very good. The units use environmentally friendlier 32 refrigerant but only a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. They have sleep and energy saver modes but only use a basic washable filter which does not do much to clean the air. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.